Welcome to Consumer Reports. The best nose wax applicators is probably one of the most efficient ways to achieve a clean and hair-free nasal passage. If you're tired of dealing with unsightly nose hair and looking for a quick and effective solution, then you're in the right place. Today, we're diving deep into the world of nose wax applicators, exploring their benefits, and helping you choose the perfect one for your needs. Number 5. Nose Wax Kit for Men and Women. Most users find this kit's hair removal process virtually painless, offering a more effective alternative to plucking. It eliminates the need for costly salon visits. This product makes it easy to remove unwanted hair. The application is simple. Just heat the wax in a cup using a microwave until it thickens. If you don't have a microwave, you can also heat it in hot water. This product is very easy to use. Nasal and ear hair is removed from the root, and regrowth is thinner and less bushy, lasting for weeks. This kit provides long-lasting results. You will love it. The main advantage is that you only need to use it once a month. Unlike trimmers, which require frequent use, this kit offers a convenient solution. It is very useful. The kit includes 100 g of hypoallergenic hard wax beads, suitable for all skin types. This ensures a safe and effective hair removal experience. It is very safe to use. It comes with 30 applicators, ensuring you only remove hair where intended. The kit also includes mustache protectors, paper cups, and a measuring cup. It is very convenient. What we like. This kit offers a fast and painless experience, making hair removal a breeze. The application is quick and easy, saving you time and effort. If you're looking for a long-term solution with results lasting up to 6 weeks, this is the perfect choice for you. What people say. The process was pretty easy, and although it took a couple of attempts to sort of figure it out, I did a pretty nice job, and I'm happy with the results. I heated the wax in 2 different ways. The process is straightforward, and I believe there are just 5 steps in the instructions. Number 4. Plastic Wax Applicator Wands for Nose Hair Removal. This package includes 60 plastic wax applicator wands. It's perfect for daily nostril cleaning and nose hair removal. There are enough for you to use for a while, or you can share them with family and friends. These wands are made of quality ABS plastic with a smooth surface. They effectively remove unsightly nose hair without hurting your skin. The design is made to retain the natural shape of your nostrils. Each applicator is 6.8 cm long and 1.5 cm wide, suitable for most people. It's comfortable for both men and women to use. They are also portable and easy to store in bags. After applying melted wax, you just need to wait a moment. It helps you quickly remove nose hair. It's disposable, so you can simply throw it away after use. Using these wands regularly helps you breathe more smoothly. It keeps your face clean and fresh, making you look more energetic. Many users report less pain compared to other hair removal methods. Try it and enjoy a better life. What we like. With a value package of 60 applicators, this product ensures you have enough for regular use. Made from premium ABS plastic, it's gentle on your skin. If you're looking for a convenient and disposable option for daily nostril cleaning, this product is ideal for you. What people say. They really get in there and get all the hair out. They also hold the wax really well, which is great for me because I tend to make a mess. These are great for at-home nose waxing. I also use these for my husband's ears. He hates that his hairs on his ears get long, and these are perfect to get the outer hairs. Number 3. Nose Wax Sticks Applicators for Men and Women. You'll receive plenty of these applicators for regular nose cleaning and hair removal. This ensures you have enough to maintain a fresh and active look. It's a simple way to feel more confident. These nose wax sticks are made from safe, non-toxic ABS plastic. The smooth surface ensures they won't harm your nose or skin. They are also lightweight and easy to carry around. The applicators are designed to fit comfortably in most nostrils. Measuring at about 7 by 1.5 cm, they are suitable for both men and women. Using them is a breeze. These applicators are designed for single use, providing a hygienic solution. With the quantity provided, you'll have a supply for a while. Feel free to share them with family and friends. Regular use can help you look more energetic and improve your overall state. Try these applicators and experience a boost in your daily life. They're designed to make you feel great. What we like. You'll receive a generous supply of applicators, ensuring you're well stocked for your hair removal needs. Crafted from safe ABS plastic, it prioritizes your well-being. If you value convenience and hygiene with a disposable design, this is the perfect choice. What people say. These worked great for my hubby's nose and ears. They work great with the nose wax to rip the nose beard right out of each nostril. These are good quality and are the same as the ones you find in most wax kits from Amazon. Number 2. Charmonic 150 PCS Wax Sticks for Hair Removal. Tired of painful hair removal? These wax applicators offer a faster and cleaner solution. Many users find it far less painful than other methods, making it a comfortable choice for regular use. This kit isn't just for noses. It's versatile enough for ear hair, eyebrows, and facial hair. Compatible with all hot wax brands, it's as simple as melt, dip, and pull. Made with food-grade plastic, these sticks are soft, flexible, and burr-free. The smooth surface ensures great adhesion to the wax, unlike inferior products that can be brittle. The handles feature engraved patterns for a better grip, ensuring a swift and painless hair removal. The grooved head design makes it easy to dip and bond with the melted wax, preventing spills. With 150 wax spatulas included, this package provides enough for years of use. It's perfect for monthly maintenance or for the whole family, offering great value and convenience. What we like. This product promises a fast and painless experience, making hair removal a breeze. It's multi-purpose, suitable for various areas like ears and eyebrows. If you appreciate quality and versatility, this is the perfect choice for you. What people say. Works as advertised. These 150 PCS wax sticks are a fantastic addition for anyone using a nose wax kit. I often found myself running out of sticks before wax when using standard kits, but these extra sticks solve that problem perfectly. They match the quality of those provided in the best kits, ensuring that you can use every bit of wax without waste. Item arrived as described and works great. Number 1. Nose Wax Sticks, Painless Hair Removal. These nose wax applicators offer a simple solution for unwanted hair. This product is designed for both men and women, making it a convenient choice for everyone. Each package comes with 60 applicators, providing enough for at least a year of use. You won't need to worry about running out anytime soon. These sticks are perfect for nose hair, eyebrows, and other small facial areas. The round head is designed for the nose, while the pointed end targets smaller areas. Experience less pain compared to other methods. The shape of the stick fits perfectly inside the nostril for efficient hair removal. Made from premium, non-toxic ABS, these applicators are safe and durable. They effectively remove hair without harming your skin. Regular use of these sticks helps you breathe easier and keeps your face clean. They are easy to carry and provide a great experience, leading to a better quality of life. What we like. With a generous quantity, this product ensures you're set for the long haul. It's multifunctional, suitable for nose and eyebrow hair removal. If you are looking for a product that combines effectiveness with a painless experience, this is the perfect choice. What people say. Perfect design allows for a right the first time waxing of ears and nose. The rounded head is ideal for nostril hair removal, while the sharp end works well for eyebrows and small facial areas. Made from premium ABS plastic, ensuring durability and skin safety. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.